Have you ever stared into the glowing eyes of an owl and wondered, what secrets are hiding behind that silent stare? Owls have fascinated humans for thousands of years, wrapped in myths, legends, and a touch of mystery. Some cultures see them as symbols of wisdom, while others fear them as omens of death. But behind the myths lies one of the most extraordinary predators of the animal kingdom. Today we're diving deep into the world of owls, the silent hunters of the night. First, let's talk about their eyes. An owl's eyes aren't round like ours. They're actually shaped like tubes, locked in place inside their skull. That means they can't roll their eyes the way we do. Instead, to look around, owls have to turn their entire head. And here's the mind-blowing part. They can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees without breaking a sweat. Imagine being able to look almost completely behind you without moving your body. That's an owl's superpower. But there's more. Their eyes are enormous compared to their skull, making up about 5% of their total body weight. That's like a human walking around with 2 grapefruits stuck in their face. Those giant eyes allow them to see perfectly in dim light, turning the night into their hunting ground. Now, vision is only half of the story. The other half is hearing. Owls have an incredible ability to locate sound. Some species, like the barn owl, have asymmetrical ear openings, one higher than the other. This unusual adaptation allows them to detect the exact location of a sound in complete darkness. So even if a tiny mouse makes the faintest rustle under a pile of leaves, the owl knows precisely where to strike. And when they strike, they do it in absolute silence. Their wings are specially designed with fringed edges that break up turbulence, reducing noise as they fly. This means their prey never hears them coming until it's too late. It's like nature's version of a stealth fighter jet. But owls aren't just hunters, they're also survivors. With over 200 species spread across almost every continent, they've adapted to a wide range of habitats. From snowy tundras to dense rainforests, owls have made the world their home. The snowy owl, for example, thrives in the icy Arctic, while the tiny elf owl hides in desert cacti. Each species has evolved to perfectly match its environment. Of course, owls also play a vital role in ecosystems. By controlling rodent populations, they help farmers and keep balance in nature. Without owls, the number of mice and rats could spiral out of control, causing chaos in crops and even spreading diseases. In many ways, owls are the silent guardians of the night. Now, let's go back to humans and owls. For centuries, people have both admired and feared them. Ancient Greeks saw owls as a symbol of wisdom, associating them with the goddess Athena. But in other cultures, especially in folklore, owls were seen as harbingers of death or bad luck. Even today, hearing an owl hoot at night can feel eerie, as if the forest itself is whispering secrets. Yet despite their mysterious reputation, owls face real dangers. Habitat loss, hunting, and climate change threaten many species. Barn owls, for example, struggle in areas where farmland pesticides poison the rodents they rely on. Protecting owls isn't just about saving a bird, it's about preserving balance in the ecosystems they protect. And here's something fascinating to end with. Owls can swallow their prey whole, bones, fur, and all. Later, they cough up what's called an owl pellet, a compact little bundle of undigested material. Scientists often study these pellets to learn exactly what owls have been eating, almost like reading nature's secret diary. So the next time you hear a soft hoot echoing through the night, remember, you're listening to one of nature's most skilled hunters, a bird that combines silence, precision, and mystery like no other. Owls may be wrapped in myth, but the truth about them is even more incredible. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps us grow and get to our first 1,000 subscribers. Catch you in the next one.